Okay, punta naman tayo ulit sa
Madam Chair,
PCTC kung papayag ang mga senador.
Yeah,
Senator,
just on that point.
Cayetano.
Yeah, let me start by agreeing with the Secretary of Justice na magdamag tayo dito,
Oo naman.
hindi mag-agree. But I want to make one point lang on that, and if we can agree on something. Wala po tayong duda that human rights are essential. Whether you think of from a spiritual point of view, we were made in God's image, DNA ng Panginoon, or whether you look at it from a humanistic point of view, na human rights, no, is essential. Okay, klaro yon. Having said that, klaro din na napopolitika at nawe-weaponize ang human rights. So when I was DFA Secretary, kaharap ko po mga ibang European Parliament, maganda usapan namin, pero pinipilit sa atin na abortion is a human right. Iba po yun sa ating konstitusyon, na from conception, we believe it's a human right, yung life ng bata. So my point, Secretary, ang urgency kasi dito, nagsasalita kasi yung ICC na may mga isusunod sila. So what's important for me is if they issue a warrant, we guarantee, I'm not sure if we'll agree here, no? But we guarantee the Filipinos that warrants will be issued against them, that they can go to court. Na hindi pagdating ng warrant, dadating and surrender them there. Kasi nga, if they're there na, moot in academic na, not in the sense that they can still get accountability, as the good justice said, kung may abuse of process, may mananagot dito. Pero na-deny na yung liberty nila doon. Di ba may kasabihan tayo sa law school na, di bale ng, actually, I forgot who quoted it from who, but di bale ng 100 na guilty makalaya, wag lang yung isang inosente ay maparusahan. So, have we thought about that? So, if the ICC issues, will we wait for the Supreme Court to rule, or will we allow them to be sent, to put on a plane and sent them to Hague already?
That was the option that we had to consider in the executive department. And we believe that we acted in their best judgment in surrendering him to the ICC.
Yeah, I meant, Secretary, after. So now that there's a pending before the Supreme Court, kung biglang mag-issue for 5 more Filipinos, sino man sila, will we allow those Filipinos to, if they're detained here in the Philippines, then go to the Supreme Court, or will we put them on a plane and send them to Hague? Considering that the Supreme Court is now looking into this legal issue.
Yun nga ho kasi nga kaya hindi ko lang hong kasi iniiwasan po namin sabihin yung sub judice Kasi nga napakahalaga po ng maging judgment ng Supreme Court. Kasi alam ko po diyan, pag sa ganitong sitwasyon, case of first impression, baka sakali magbigay sila ng guidelines kung ano po ang dapat gawin ng executive department. Pero ito po it is in their best judgment that this is the best thing to do. Kaya ginawa po namin.
I'm talking about, Secretary, after President Duterte. I don't know if you can answer it by yourself or it's the cabinet as a whole, but I would honestly ask you to look at it. I mean, sincerely ask you to look at it, and kung pwede, kung mag-issue ulit yung ICC, allow them to go to court before we send them. So I'm talking about after Duterte. Kasi even in your statements naman before this, you have an option, di ba? So I'm just saying, safer option yung before Philippine courts kasi pag nandun na, wala nang rewind di ba? So let's say you have 3 generals, ex-generals, etc. sent na there. Wala na silang remedy dito So yun lang naman point ko, yung after President Duterte. Before, of course, if the Supreme Court decides on point, then may guidance na tayong lahat. But while it's pending, it might be safer, no, to allow the Filipinos to seek redress here.
Mahirap pong mag-commit. Ayoko hong magsinungaling. Mahirap pong mag-commit.
I understand.
Pero
Please
ang
consider
mahalaga
lang.
po, sabi ko nga, kaya nga ayoko sana magsalita tungkol dito. Yung last hearing po, iniiwasan po namin na magsalita. Kasi napakahalaga po ng gagawin ng Supreme Court dito. Sana po igalang din natin yung kanilang estado ngayon na kailangan po nilang desisyonan itong kasong ito.